Hi and welcome to the channel. I am Lena Hansen, former celebrity makeup artist turned green beauty expert, and today I'm going to show you a facial massage for a natural facelift. What I love about facial massage is that it lifts and tones our skin naturally. So when we're releasing tension in our facial muscles, it's going to deliver blood circulation, it's going to deliver nutrients and oxygen to the skin to give us a beautiful, healthy glow. And apart from all the physical benefits, what I also love about it is that it's a chance for us to kind of connect with our skin, connect with our body, taking some time for ourselves. And even if this is 5 to 10 minutes a day, this can make a huge difference for your skin and your overall well-being. So let's get started. So we are going to get started by applying some face oil to our skin. So you can really take some time here to massage the face oil all over the face and neck area. I'm using Global Calm, which is an essential oil-free face oil that contains all these incredible different plant oils from different parts of the world. But feel free to use any face oil that you love or any moisturizer that you love. So we are gently massaging our skin here, and what I like to do is just kind of taking a little bit of notice here of where I feel tension in my skin or in my face. So I start feeling that I have some tension here in my jaw area, and I'm also feeling that I have some tension in the forehead area. So just taking note of that when we're doing massage is really going to help relieve and release any tension once we start the massage. Wonderful. So we are going to get started by gently massaging our neck area first. We're going to do gentle, smooth movements all the way from our jaw down to our neck, collarbone, and chest area here. Then we're going to use our knuckles and we're going to move down and up, moving all the way our neck, in the back of our neck, back of our skull. Take a nice deep breath. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take our knuckles and put them underneath our jaw here and slide them all the way out to the ear. Take one here and go. Next, we are going to use our knuckles and just slide there, move all the way. So between our index finger and our middle finger, start here, placing in between, and move all the way out to the ear. We go on the other side. This is really going to release any tension here in the jaw area. We tend to hold so much tension in this area, so this is a wonderful way to release any tension, which is going to help boost circulation and deliver all the nutrients and oxygen to our skin here. Next, take our knuckles again and move them all the way here in between our cheekbones. So this finger here goes underneath the cheekbones. Take a nice deep breath. take our knuckles, move right underneath the eye area. But when we're working underneath the eye area here, make sure that you use very gentle touch, very gentle movements, because we want to be careful around our eye area that we're not using too much pressure here. Next, I'm going to be placing my fingers here. Place 1 or 2 fingers underneath the eyes here and slide them all the way up. Wonderful. Let's do underneath the eyebrow, just above here on our eyelid. Move again out. Wonderful. Now you can take your fingers here and gently move up here. Slide them, glide them all the way up towards the temples. So you see here that this is going to give you that little lift. You see the difference between this side and this side now. This is going to give you that natural lift around the eye area here. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Place your fingers here and then start sliding outwards gently. Take a nice deep breath again. So make sure you have enough oil underneath the eyes here so that you're gliding on the skin here. You don't want to tug on the skin here underneath the eyes, because that is just going to create more lines, and we want to smooth out this area. Right, we're going to take our finger here again and start sliding outwards, just on our eyelid here, on our brow bone, right underneath the brow bone actually. And just really start moving it out all the way out to the temples. Great, now you're going to start moving with your fingertips all the way up toward the hairline. Beautiful. Now we're going to take our fingers and start sliding them up, smoothing out the 11 lines here. This is where we also tend to hold so much tension, and we are furrowing our brows, and this is when we're stressed. We're trying to furrow our brows here, but also kind of like crinkling our nose, and this is just where we get the 11 lines, and also our forehead lines here. So we're going to smooth out this area. Next, we take our fingers and move up our cheekbones all the way from our jaw area here, all the way up our cheekbones. Moving all from the center, moving all the way up and out. And let's do the other side. moving up all the way from the center. Great. Now we're going to be taking our fingers and we're going to start tapping our face. Tapping all over the face, our neck area, our chest area, the cheeks, the forehead, even the head. This is going to increase blood circulation in our face and really just wake up our skin. Next, take your thumb and index finger and start gently pinching. But you don't want to pull the skin, so you want to actually just kind of press into the skin here as you're pinching. So remember here, we're working with not just the skin. So we're working with the facial muscles, we're working with the fascia, releasing any tension, smoothing out lines and wrinkles. This is really a massage you can be doing every single day. So whether it's first thing in the morning when you're applying your skincare, or late at night, or whatever you do for your nightly routine, this is just such a wonderful, quick little massage that you can incorporate into your routine whenever you feel the need. Wonderful. Now we're just going to take our hands and slide them all the way out and start moving down our neck. So take a nice deep breath here again. Wonderful. Now just to end this routine, I'm going to be rubbing my palms together here so they create a little bit of warmth. And then we are going to place our hands over our face here. Take a nice deep breath. This is just going to calm and soothe your face, relax your face and your facial muscles here. Take a nice deep breath again. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this facial massage. If you did, please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you in next class.